Ka Sorkar jala Keladon Haklenti ban pyntreikam no ya rukam siu tulop ke thymmai syakipalan arpulai hajar ngut nonghikai SSA bat ad hoc Naduh kashi tarik Jymmang hadien bakajing pensisai nonghikai kelajan dap artan. Ngilat hikna bahapok ki kindiat singi banwan ngin sala ban pendap yaka bat Naduh kashi tarik Jymmang ngin la ban siu no dakatulop thymmai ong umintri katanat puli puthi upala kemen rumbui hadien ka jingalang bisarkam keblane sau kinta hak artarik yayong. Ka kinhun menteri kala aya ka jing menjor ban penkiu ya katulab na kebentai kinohikai hapo ka jingalam jong umintri rangba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma. Ubak la kemen ula kubur bawat la ka Sorkar kala kintiu kerdan ya ki katu ka ni ki secondary school syaka higher secondary school bar ka jing benrap ya ki stream batmai ka jing thong kami kinohikai kadang yailong ka wei ni ki jing e. Ya mentahi ngidang beteng bentung kam lingba ke kontrak ula ong haba benram baka Sorkar kadang persyang ban penbet ya kani ka jing e bar ka jing temu bentung no ekinohikai bupura hapu kini kindiat benai ki benwan. Nilai keren kumno ban le kadang bentung kam no ekinohikai hai kini kindiat benai ki benwan ula ong. Kikam balai keren ha ka jingalang ki kentup ya katulop kinohikai part time ka jing tay ya ki college thymmai ha mau plang pathar khma bat rongjeng bat halor ki kam ki bayade bat ki university. Ubak la kemen ula ong ru baki officer ki lapen stand ha ka bayade bat ka jing thong kam na ka bentai ki kam ki balai ha ki college bat ki school kata ki balong hapo ki kendon jong ka an. Ka jingalang kalaya keren ru halor ka jingpen bet renti eki school hakaba ki district education officer kidang penyat ya ka kam khanang ban wengi ki jing e. Kini ki day ki sin jam ki badan kam ban shim ban pen bet renti ya ka puli puthi ha ka jala Meghalaya benrap ubak lakmen.
As you know that the historic decision which the Honorable Cabinet under the leadership of our Chief Minister that from the on the 1st of May the new pay framework structure will be implemented, the new pay will be paid. So the verification of all the teachers are going on. And as of yesterday, about the many teachers, they have come forward and verification is almost complete. We are sure that within a few days we'll be able to complete it, and on the 1st of May we will be able to pay the new salary. Number 3, we, as you have seen that the government have already upgraded many of the government secondary schools into the higher secondary schools, and also the stream have been added into the different government secondary schools. But the issue of appointment of teachers, as of now, we are still appoint on contract basis. So we are discussing how to see that in the next few months that these teachers could be, the posts and the teachers should be in place. Number 4, we discuss also about the issues of the part-time teachers in different college, their salary structure and all. So we have to discuss at length what we have to do. Number 5, we discuss about the issue related to this new college, Mauplang, Patharkma, Rongjeng, and the university also. What are the issues which are there? We know there are so many issues, but what are the issues which we could solve so that we will solve at the earliest. Number 6, we also discuss about, as you know, that Education Department has advertised many posts in different college and also in different secondary and higher secondary schools. For secondary and higher secondary schools, exam have been complete. Then it will a due process of time of we will in due process we will able to complete everything. And regarding college also, we are in, trying to review so that to expedite the process within the parameter of law. So we also review about the recent advertisement about the diet. So these are all the issues which we have discussed, and we also discuss about the rationalization of schools in the different part of the state, which I'm very happy that the different DSEO, SDSEO, they are trying to do it as much as possible. And whatever difficulties which they find, we will try to resolve it as early as possible, because these are the steps which need to be taken to streamline the education in the state of Meghalaya. You see, uh, we cannot deny the fact that the fees in the government college is very less compared to the other people's college or to deficit college. Uh, to make the finance to keep the financial independent to different college where they have some fund. So because as you know that the post-matric scholarship is meant for the fee reimbursement. So we discuss about that. Let the principal, different principal have the meeting with us, all the stakeholder. Let them raise the fees, and we will collect the fees. What is they used to pay now or increase 10% or 15% as of now. But let us increase it. So if they collect at 10,000, let us make it at 18, 19,000. So 11 or 12,000 they may pay now, but the rest they can pay after they get scholarship. Because now, suppose 3,000 students in Jymmang Common College. Now, if they get 8,000 extra, that means 2.4 crore per year. This will go to the college, and with this fund the college will not come every now and then, suppose for college week, for cost excursion of a different department of the college, or for appointment of few teachers, faculty, short-term faculty for the short-term course. So but this will not put a burden into the student, because the government will reimburse. The student will only pay what they are due plus minus 5-10% as of now, but the rest, as I said, they will pay us and when they get a scholarship. Because if we compare the BA first year of Tura Common College or the Jymmang Common College scholarship, the student scholarship, it differs from the student of St. Edmunds or St. Denis or the Don Bosco College in Tura. Those college they get the higher student hostelry, they get more scholarship, but that scholarship does not go to the pocket of the student. It goes to reimburse the fees of the student. The other scholarship like the merit scholarship, of course, border area scholarship, those asking border area, and NEC scholarship, that of course go to help the student. But regarding the post-matric, we find that if the student body, if the college authority could do that financial independence, moreover but we have also instruct that they should form a committee where any amount collected, the committee to spend that, they should have the member from the faculty, they should have a member from the student body, so that everything will be transparent, and whatever they use, they should use it for the betterment of the education. More important, as I said, sports meet, college week, excursion, this year this department, next year that department, that they didn't need to come, because once they come to the government, sometimes it takes months together to get the sanction. So we are talking about all these things. So let's see that as I said, some issue which we could implement, but some immediately, but some we need a consultation. We are here to serve for the people of the state, and anything we do, we do for betterment, and consultation is needed. So and also, as you know that in the state of Meghalaya there are many colleges which don't have even the 12B recognition or the 2F. So we impress upon them that they should apply and they should meet a requirement. And we also impress that all the college should try to have accredited. Yes, before it's a NAC, and now what is the body will come. So what they have to do, because this self-assessment is a very, very important, and we also will, and the government also will know that where is to intervene. And we also discuss one of the very, very important issue that regarding schools, government schools especially, that we impressed that we told the director that all government schools, especially all the schools, especially government schools, they should have twice the parent teachers meeting, because government schools it is like nobody's take care. So we want that minimum, at least during the result day of the half yearly or before the result of the final exam, there should be a parent teachers meeting. In that meeting they deliberate, and there will be a sense of belonging or the sense of ownership also by the county. These are all the issues which we discuss.